Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour here on a 12 by 36 inch artist loft canvas. I'm going to do white on my base, and I'm just going to do some cool stuff here with some smearing and some tilting and some who knows whatever. The colors I'm going to use are SoHo's Magenta, SoHo's Dioxazine Violet, and Arteza's Pearl Electric White. And I'm using Artist Loft's Acrylic Flow White for the base. I do have Amsterdam's Titanium White in a container here for maybe for some smearing, so I can get some extra lacing cells and stuff. I do need to grab my paper towels here real quick. sure you don't have no air bubbles in there. I seen a hair. No, I don't see it. Well, where is it? I think I'm done. It's really cool. Oh, I do want to put a little something down here in this corner. I said I think I'm done, but I keep playing with it. All right, I'm definitely done now. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Sorry. So pretty, that lacing. Those sails are, sorry about the glare from the light up above. But just look at them. They're so cool. Look, they have the purple wrapped around the pink. So pretty. Look at those. Wow. I just love it. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Hopefully you will like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. I would appreciate it. Helps my channel out a lot. Lot. If you have any comments or suggestions, please do. Commenting, even, oh, I like it, oh, I don't. that well, maybe the I don't doesn't help my channel, but everything else does. But thanks for watching, everybody. I don't know if I can get the whole thing in there. I appreciate it. Hopefully everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID. Keep being creative. Bye.